Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about the latest Accenture interview questions. In this interview, firstly the interviewer start the interview with the self introduction, then oops concept in Java, then what was your project, then is a person who is completing their work in your team, how will you make them work, who is not completing the work in the team and how you make them to work. Even though if the person is not listening to your words, what should you do? Brief explanation of your project, latest invention by using any of the programming language. What was your future idea for a project? How many members are there in your project? What were your hobbies, extracurricular activity? How programming languages are helping in the software industry? How will you manage your time? So this is the Accenture interview, and this is a little bit lengthy interview as compared to other. The second interview is also started with the self introduction. Then I mentioned about my Salesforce administrator internship. He asked question, basic question regarding that, like which platform it will work, and what did you done in your internship, what is the process. Can you say any 5 point of C? I said. He again asked many questions on what I said, like where we use the C language, then what is stdio.h and why we use print, why we use printf, what is a function, what are conditional statements. So these are the basic question of C language. Can you explain about for loop, for each loop and do while loop? Why C is called structured programming language? How you decided C is structured language and can you justify it? What is structured language? Tell me something about pointer in C, what we store in pointer and how. So in this interview, the interviewer will ask the question from the C language only, and all the question asked from C language are very basics. Only basic things is asked by the interviewer. The next interview is also started with the self introduction. Then in your academic year, how many project will you do, what was that project, which tools are using for to do the project, how many member in your team, if you have faced any problem, how can you solve that problem, what is your favorite subject, what is your most difficult subject, how can you overcome that subject in exam, what is your hobbies, what is your favorite technology, we will do your project, why should you choose only that tools, why should not take other tools. They will ask some question according to my favorite subject. So only the basic things and the project related question is asked in this interview. In Accenture interview, mainly the interview will ask the question from the basic C language, C++, Java, and the question from the project. So prepare your project very well. Don't mention any fake project in your resume. The next interview is a round of 17 minutes. This interview is also started with the self introduction. Then what do you know about IT? Then why you choose non-IT to IT? Java Python difference, present programming technology, chat GBT, any project, any CCA, what is your hobbies, any questions. So this is also a very easy interview. In all these four interview, you can see that interview will start the interview with the self introduction, then question from the project and some basic question from the according to your language. So this is all I have explained the Accenture interview. So please do like and subscribe my channel for the latest update, latest interview experience. I will share all company interview experience in this channel, so please do subscribe my channel guys.